Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to unbox and review my new G-Shock, a new addition to my collection, the DW-6900RGB. I have a small collection of G-Shock watches and I decided to buy a new one to expand my collection. This one is, the regular 6900 but in black. I would call this model the Batman watch. If you like videos about G-Shocks, please like and subscribe. Without further ado, let's get started. The history of Casio's G-Shock watches dates back to the early 80s. The concept of the tough digital watch comes from the vision of Casio's engineer Kiku Ibe, who wanted to create a timepiece that would be literally indestructible. The goal was to design a watch that could withstand shocks, vibrations, and extreme conditions. But the true inspiration for the G-Shock's development came from a simple accident. Kiku Ibe was motivated to create a durable watch after he accidentally dropped a pocket watch given to him by his father, which shattered upon impact. This incident sparked his determination to design a wristwatch that could be shock resistant and be able to endure harsh conditions. In 1981, after years of research and development, Casio launched its first G-Shock watch, the DW-6000C. It featured a triple protection design with a rugged case, a hollow structure, and a module that was suspended inside the watch to protect it from shocks. The DW-6000C introduced the signature square shape that has become synonymous with G-Shock watches. Casio developed Triple 10 concept, a 10-year battery life, 10-bar water resistance, and 10-meter dropping shock resistance. So the G-Shock concept is over 40 years old now. Since 1981, Casio made countless iterations of G-Shock watches, different shapes, different colors, different materials. And this one is no exception. It's a full black watch with some gaming accents. That's why it's called RGB, probably. So let's unbox it and see what's inside. So like any other G-Shock watch, the package looks fairly standard. You get this metal box, a bunch of papers. This time they've added even this paper stand for the G-Shock. It's something new. I have never seen it before. So let's open the box, and inside this metal box that reminds me the map of France, you have the manual for this module, which is exactly the same for every other G-Shock watch with the same module, and you have the watch itself wrapped in this paper material. That's all you have in the box with this black G-Shock. So let's put this Batman/gaming G-Shock on my wrist and have a closer look on it. I actually like how this G-Shock looks on my wrist. It's made of this glossy black material, black plastic. If you guys like black watches, this one will definitely look stunning on your wrist. Besides the unusual color option, I cannot say more things about this watch. I mean, it's another G-Shock, but this time in black. Let's compare this black watch to my another 6900. This one is fully transparent, I would even say almost white. So as you can see, it's really the same module, the same watch. What changes here is the color option, the material. The back cover is a little bit different, but besides that, it's the same watch, just a different color option. By the way, let me know in the comment section below what is your favorite G-Shock. I like the standard square G-Shock with the solar panel. I also like the white square, and I really like the 6900 model. I have a bunch of them. I have this limited edition 25-year anniversary, and I also bought this fully black model. Guys, thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe, and have a nice day. Peace.